Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to change your password on a ThinkPad laptop from 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security, recovering from a forgotten password, or just wanting to update your info, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. ThinkPads are known for their reliability and robust features, and changing your password is a breeze with the latest updates. First things first, make sure your ThinkPad is powered on and you're logged into your account. We'll be using the Windows settings for this, as most 2025 models run on the newest OS. Start by clicking on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, search for Settings and open it up. It's that blue gear icon you can't miss. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Accounts section. This is usually one of the first options you'll see. Click on it, and then select Your Info from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find an option that says Manage My Microsoft Account or something similar. Go ahead and click that. If you're using a local account instead of a Microsoft one, look for Sign In Options instead. Now, for the main event. Under Sign In Options, you'll see your current password settings. Click on Change next to your password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password for security reasons, so type that in. Then, create a new, strong password. Remember, mix in uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep it secure. Confirm it, and hit Save or Update. That's it, your password is now changed. But a quick tip: always test it by logging out and back in to make sure everything works smoothly. If you run into any issues, like forgotten passwords, you might need to use your recovery email or phone. ThinkPads in 2025 come with enhanced security features, so take advantage of them. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next one.